Maybe you moved to a new country, or you just want your Roblox suggestions to match your actual region. I'm going to show you how to change your account location in Roblox. Step by step, and yes, it's really easy. Go to your browser and type roblox.com. Click on the little gear icon if you're on desktop. From there, click on Settings. Now, you'll be taken to the account info page. This is where all your personal details live. Scroll down until you see the section labeled Location. Click the drop-down menu next to it, and you'll see a full list of countries. If there's no option to change this by yourself. Then what you'll need to do instead is scroll down to the bottom of this window. Click on Help select Roblox account and in the search box type in Location. Then click Account Location. After that, scroll down. Then click Support Form. Then fill up this form. In Type of Help category, select How to. Then click this drop-down and select How to change my location. Then describe your issue. After that, click Continue. So now you just need to wait a couple of working days. Should be able to change that location for you manually. If you've got questions, drop them in the comments. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.